Welcome to Dude RV. Hey, I really appreciate you stopping by, and you got here just in time. It's Friday, and it's time for another edition of Friday's Finds. We have a returning channel sponsor for this edition of Friday's Finds. Camplux. You remember Camplux? They sent us the really cool fire pit that we played with. Well, they've done it again. They've sent us another toy to play with. And this one is going to have us in hot water. For real. Anytime, anywhere. This is the Camplux tankless water heater. I haven't even opened this thing up yet, so let me pop it open and we'll take a look. No Teflon. Do not put Teflon tape on the gas connection, is what that's saying. All right. Are you wondering about that? We'll talk about that in a minute. Ooh, that's pretty and white. Looky there. Got a little box of goodies. A most important instruction manual, and this also says no Teflon tape on your propane connections. So let me read some instructions and figure some stuff out, and I'll be back. Got her all set up and ready to pump out some hot water. It's a real simple setup procedure. The Camplux Insta Heat water heating system comes with all the hardware needed to either mount it in the wall, use quick connects. There's just all kinds of mounting hardware and gaskets. Comes with a couple of wrenches for working on the gas line, but the gas and regulator, there's already a regulator installed. Fits your standard 20-pound LP tank. Now I put this on because we're going to be connecting to the water hose, and I want to make it simple. It's an on-off valve here at the water heater itself. Now there is an electronic ignition, so you have two D-cell batteries. So we have easy connect fittings, threaded fittings. You have water pressure and water, or the gas, which is really going to control the temperature, and this should control the pressure. So the faster it goes, the more propane you need. The slower it goes, the less propane you need. So with that being said, we need to connect it to some water and some propane and make some hot water. And now we're going to talk about the other item. That is a inflatable Japanese soaking tub. And that's actually something that I've carried with me for several years. Of course, I haven't had it, I don't carry it in Trudy. Haven't, because I haven't been it kind of fell out of use. It's a cold weather kind of deal here, because I use a portable hot water heater to fill this up with hot water and soak in it, as opposed to trying to transport that. I just have a tub that I can get in there and soak when it's cold and my bones are aching. That helps me raise the core temperature and get those micro vessels open and flushing the toxins out of my extremities, and that's what causes a lot of my pain. So we're going to set this up just for you to see how it all works. Now, Camplux didn't provide the stand. I actually put that together some time back. But they do have stands. They're actually kind of like a stool. This also has a handle back here. Let me demonstrate that for you. It could be hung from the handle. Either way, a brand new bottle of propane. Now we need some water. Well, I had a little interruption in production, and it's the next morning. But I got the Camplux portable shower, hot shower, all set up. And one thing I really want to make a point to mention is make sure you get your inlet and outlet water connections in the right place. Because if you connect to the outlet with the inlet, it won't work. All right, so we're going to turn it on and now listen. So that is the sound of hot water being made, and it is fast. You're not having to wait. And then we can adjust the temperature here by turning the gas down or up. And boy, that is hot, hot, hot. So we can make a hot tub of water. Actually, the shower nozzle, if I were trying to fill that with hot water, I'd take the shower nozzle off and just push it straight in there. We have two different modes, pulsing and just a stream. I sure wish I'd have had this when I was up at the Caddo National Grasslands and taking a cold shower out of the water hose. As with most Insta-Heat hot water heaters, when you turn the water off, the gas turns off, which is not a big issue because your hose is so much shorter. I think I'm going to end up finding a longer hose or getting a taller stand. Something else would be nice, would be a place to hang the nozzle, the sprayer. That's really all there is to it. It's got a great instruction manual that came with it to help you figure out why it's not working, if it's not working. Yeah, I think the Camplux portable hot water heater shower is a winner. And if you're looking for a way to have a bathtub or a tub of hot water with you on the go, Then this portable Japanese soaking tub is perfect. If you're wondering, how big is it really? Can a guy actually get in there? Let's do it. Oh, that's chilly. Don't do this on uneven soil. If it's even just a little bit off, as soon as you get in it, you'll roll out. Hey, I want to say thanks to Camplux for sponsoring this edition of Friday's Finds. If you're looking for a portable hot water heater, there it is right there. You can't go wrong with that. Camplux, thank you so much. If you found this video to be informative and entertaining in any way, I'd appreciate it if you click on the thumbs up. That helps with the algorithm. If you've not already, I'd be most honored if you'd consider clicking on the subscribe button. And for those of you who have been following along, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. And for my patrons, I am most grateful. You rock! All right, y'all come back now, you hear?